Open it up.
I can't.
Try here. Open this way.
Yeah.
What are those?
I don't know. Huh? What are these?
They are
Shoes.
what kind of shoes?
New shoes.
What do they have on them?
I don't know. Giraffes.
And
Tiger.
yeah, Bubbies. Good job. Say thank you, Emmy.
Thank you, Emmy.